Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a full snapshot of your Home Assistant instance right now. Include add-ons, SSL, and configuration files so nothing is missing. Once done, set up the new computer. Install the same Home Assistant type, OS, supervised, or container, to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure the new device uses a static IP and correct time zone, and enable SSH so you can copy files directly. This reduces mistakes when you start restoring data. You transfer the snapshot or config files next. Use SCP or SFTP to keep permissions intact, or physically move a USB drive if network transfer is slow. Once the files are on the new machine, restore the snapshot through the supervisor UI or rebuild containers and import config for Docker setups. After restoration, check integrations and hardware bindings, re-register MQTT credentials, reattach Zigbee or Z-Wave controllers, and reinstall add-ons so devices. You finish by validating everything. Open dashboards, trigger automations, and confirm voice assistants and remote access work. Once satisfied, update DNS, port forwarding, and mobile app connection settings so clients point to the new machine. If something fails, check Home Assistant logs immediately and don't panic. Try restoring the snapshot again or selectively restore configuration folders such as secrets, SSL, or custom components. A key troubleshooting tip: if integrations fail, remove and re-add the integration to reissue tokens and rebind devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.